Mkhwanazi, you're number one. At the side, sir, please. Thank you, Worship. Worship, the court is constituted as follows. The presiding officer is Mr. Manana. For the state is Advocate Ntelwa. The accused are represented as follows, Worship.
Language preference, Mr. Mkhwanazi. Confirm that Mr. Kagiso, Lerutla.
Your Worship, I confirm.
Language preference, Mr. Lerutla.
English.
Advocate, you confirm that I appeal for accused number one?
I do indeed confirm that I appear on behalf of accused number one as instructed by Sali Corporate Attorneys, Your Worship.
Counsel Advocate Zakwe, you confirm your appearance on behalf of
Good afternoon, Your Worship. I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number two together with my colleague, Mr. Vumbi. We are advocates and members of the Johannesburg Bar. We are instructed by Masigela Masinya Incorporated. Thank you, Your Worship.